Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to new, take standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the XY plane. Take the line command. Okay, now we are going to make a rough sketch first. Okay, so we are making a rough, then we'll give the tire dimensions. Okay, so this line will go like this will like this, here taper profile on profile like this, on here one, here this and this. Okay, so now we'll give the dimensions. Go to dimension. Here we will start from here. This will be 11 mm. Okay, the next this will be of 18 mm. This will be 24. Now when I move it, go to vertical constraint, select this point, select this. Now it will not move in this direction. Now go to dimension, define this as 12 mm and next this will be 15 and this also 15. Okay, this middle one will be of 2 mm and this height will be of 1 mm. Okay, now here the bottom profile, this will be of 16 mm, this profile will be of 20 mm and this will be of 12. Okay, now the caps, this will be of 4 mm and here this will be of 4 mm and this one will be of 3 mm. Okay, now here this will be of 4 mm. This height from this base will be of 28 mm. Okay, and this from here will be at 22 mm and this will be of 12 mm. Okay, now from this point select here, so this will be 25 mm. Okay, now define this as 3. Okay, it is taking 3, this will be 4 automatically. Escape. Now we will see what else is being making it unconstrained. Okay, this movement here. Okay, for this movement go to dimension, define this as 10 mm. Okay, now this is fully constrained. Now here go to line command, select the center point, make one line, escape, select this line, make it construction, go to finish sketch. Here take the revolve command, so this profile will be selected. Go to axis selection and select this axis, press OK. So this will be the profile which will be generated. Okay, now this is the outer profile. Now we are going to make the cut profiles. Okay, first go to fillet, rotate, select this edge, rotate again and select this bottom edge. Here the fillet will be of radius 2 mm, press OK. Okay, now the next, select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, make a circle here of diameter 15, go to dimension, select the center point, select the center, this will be a distance here of 55 mm. Go to vertical constraint, select this point, finish sketch, take extrude, flip the direction and here we will take extrude of 14 mm and we will take a joining profile, rotate, okay, and press OK. Now go to fillet, select this bottom edge, we'll take fillet of 2 mm and press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, take this circle command and make a circle at this center point. Here the circle will be of diameter 7.5 mm. Go to finish sketch, take extrude, select this mid plane, select cut, rotate the profile. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now we have 3 profiles, extrude 1, fillet 2 and extrude 2. Now take the circular pattern, select extrude 1, fillet 2 and extrude 2. Go to rotation axis, rotate. Select this face as the rotation axis. Here we are going to take a count of 6 and press OK. Rotate. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Take the circle command, from this center point, make a circle here of diameter 75. Escape. Select this circle, make it constraint, construction geometry. Take the circle command and here, okay, we will take the point command here, point, place one point here. Go to vertical constraint, select this and select here. Go to circular pattern, select this point, go to axis, select this as axis, and here we are going to take count of 4 and press OK. Okay, now finish sketch, take here hole command. Here we will take a tabbed hole and here we will take ANSI metric M profile and we will take here the tab hole of 5 mm size and the designation here will be M5 into 0.8. The 0.8 will be the pitch of the thread. Here we will define the distance. The thread distance will be 10 mm and the hole distance here will be 15 mm. Okay, you can see here and press OK. Okay, so this profile has been constructed. Now here we'll rotate this profile. Now this is almost complete. I'll define the appearance here. I'll take a canary color. You can take any. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model using the Autodesk Inventor Revolve command. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.